Well, that just came right down, didn't it?
What's happening, guys? Back to work on a 929. Let's go. All right. Gonna work on these rear sets. See if we can get those knocked out. This is what we got for rear sets. Another eBay purchase. Nice billet aluminum rear set. So we're gonna get these mounted up. I bought a new rear master cylinder because the other one's chrome. And it actually matches up pretty damn good with this one. Not bad. A shade off, but when they're 1.5 feet, 2 feet apart, they should look pretty good. So I gotta get that done. I gotta get that rear sprocket. My buddy wanted to drop down to a 15 tooth. It's a stock 16, so we're gonna do that. I got that over there. Let me see if I can grab it. So we got another sprocket. We're gonna change that out. And we need to get all the stuff that's going to powder coat, we need to get everything off. Like the triple tree's gotta come off. Everything up there's gotta come off. The passenger peg set's gotta go out and get powder coated. So we still got a little bit of stuff to do. And then get all these plastics back on. I already started loosening up everything to see how it was gonna work out. Let's take this brake line off, start making a mess with that. What I think I'm going to end up doing here is taking this down and try to make it match the old one, well, the stock one, as much as I can, and then put it up. There's 0 instructions on these things. So what I'm going to try to do is mirror these. The angle of everything is wrong. So I think we'll mount this up first. It's kind of on an extreme angle, like that. All right, guys, so I've been working at this thing for about an hour. This master cylinder will not work. Right here. It will not work. I'm kind of pissed off a little bit about that, but it's not going to work. I'm going to sandblast and paint this one black, and then that should look pretty good. The chrome is gone, and I'm going to go fit up the other side. So I thought this side was going to be way harder, and it was a lot easier. So the stock one, from center of the peg to center of the peg, we're about 5.5. They blend in real nice. Get that master cylinder back there in satin black. I think it'll look great. Let's jump on this exhaust. All right, so we're going to rip this exhaust off. I think we have 4 10mm under here. Then we have this hanger right here. We're gonna get that one off, and then this whole monstrosity comes down. See if we can do it without any casualties.
that just came right down, didn't it? So we got a titanium, I think it's called Jardine is the name of the pipe. Titanium and carbon fiber. Yeah. I have to do something here. Maybe hand sand that down or something. There's nothing I can do about that. Tiny little dent. But the pipe looks so much better because of these giant springs. Just coming along. That pipe looks so much better. Not super happy about that tiny dent.
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
What are we doing to the bike today?
Well, we're doing the exhaust. I got these controls on. I'm trying to get it done.
Big head's getting it done. No one does it like Big Head.
Woo! So I'm going to attempt to change this sprocket, but we need to lock this in place. What I think I'm going to do is ratchet strap this back wheel down to the lift. See if this works. All right, so we broke it free, and we're gonna see if we can get this sprocket off. Why is it such a pain in the ass? It's a cool bike, but I'm starting to hate it. This sprocket better be the right one. I'll be mad. 15 tooth going on. Yeah, that's it, man. Eric, look, 16, 15, so don't cry. If you can't wheelie it, it's not because I didn't put a 15 tooth on. All right, sprocket's on. We'll finish that up. So this entire side is done now. All the bolts are Loctite. I adjusted this pretty much to where it was stock. I took all the measurements of the stock one. I was thinking this looks pretty cool because it almost looks like the Honda wing. Kind of a cool look. So we got that done. We got the sprocket done completely. On this side, the exhaust is on, but the hangers for the exhaust and the rear sets, well, the passenger one on either side is going out for powder coat. And this one's all set except for the fact that the brake needs to get this master cylinder. We're gonna have to use this master cylinder again. I'm gonna have it stripped and then I'm gonna spray it. And let's see here. I'm gonna throw this gas cap on, see how that looks. We're gonna lower the bike down. We're gonna knock all that stuff off so I can bring it to powder coat tomorrow. All right, so let's set up and do that. Yeah, that looks really cool. Definitely digging that, guys. No more key for the gas cap. So we're gonna get the rest of this stuff off so we can get it all to the powder coat tomorrow. So this is all the stuff that's getting powder coated. We are back at American Dry Stripping and Powder Coating in Milford, seeing if Jose and the boys can hook me up. So that's going to be a wrap for this one. The parts are in good hands over here. We're getting super close to finishing this 929 makeover. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe. And as always, smash that like button. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.